I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a photo frame at home. Start by measuring your photo and adding the frame overlap, then mark the wood for precise cuts. Use a miter saw or miter box for clean 45-degree corners and dry fit the pieces before gluing. Apply wood glue, clamp firmly, and let it cure. Sand edges smooth, paint or stain for finish, and insert glass and backing for a polished look. Measure twice and cut once, keeping all angles clean and consistent for a neat frame. Assemble the 4 pieces on a flat surface and dry fit to check alignment and fit. If gaps appear, trim or sand lightly, then apply wood glue to the joints and clamp them square. Wipe excess glue promptly, and allow the assembly to cure fully before moving to sanding and finishing steps for a professional-looking frame. After glue cures, sand the frame starting with medium and finishing with fine grit for a smooth surface. Apply primer if painting, then 2 thin coats of paint or a stain followed by a clear sealer to protect the finish. Allow adequate drying time between coats and sand lightly if needed. Fit glass or acrylic, add the backing and secure clips or points, then attach hanging hardware and you're ready to display your handcrafted photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.